Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into Call of Duty Mobile, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. What I'm about to show you is a fully working mod for both Android and iOS that brings some pretty insane features into the game. Before we get into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That way you won't miss any of the crazy stuff I've got coming up next. Alright, let's talk about this mod. Once you launch the game, just tap the gear icon to open up the mod menu. From there, you'll see all the options available. The biggest one, you can max out your COD points instantly. No grind, no waiting, just open the menu, press the button, and it's done. There are other cool features too, like gameplay tweaks and visual enhancements, all working inside the latest version of the game. Yeah, that's important. You need to be running the most up-to-date version of Call of Duty Mobile for this to work properly. Now, if you're wondering how to try this mod out for yourself, check the pinned comment below. I've laid out everything clearly so you know exactly where to go. Thanks a lot for watching. If this mod works for you, drop a comment and let me know how it went. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful. And again, details on how to get the mod are in the pinned comment.